In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a payment method on Shopify. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To add payment method on your Shopify store, at the beginning you have to click on settings. Now click on payments. Once you come to this page, then click on add provider. Now you got two different options. You can search by payment method or you can search by provider. Let's go with payment method. If you want to add MasterCard payment method, then you have to search for MasterCard and click on it. Now you have to choose the provider. Let's go with the first one. Once you choose your payment provider, then click on install button. Again click on install and give the information and click on save button. Let's think if you want to add PayPal payment method, then again click on add provider and search for PayPal and choose the PayPal payment method. Now select your payment provider and install it on the Shopify store. Now you have to create an account to go with PayPal payment method. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily add payment method on your Shopify store.